Hey guys, it's just me. Today I'm going to be doing a quick get ready with me video. I just sprayed my face with some facial spray and put on some moisturizer, as you can see right now. And then I'm actually going to start with my brows. I really just want to quickly groom those. They're not in the best shape right now, guys, so we'll try not to judge, but I wanted to give them a little shape for this video. I really wanted to fill them in.
Guess I'm better off alone, never know when I'll get home, but I know that home's where the heart is. Guess I'm better off this way, moving to better days, but I know that home's where the heart is.
And now I'm just going to go in and outline the brows. I'm just taking some concealer from the top part and underneath the brow to really shape them. As you guys can see, I have a couple of breakouts, which are kind of annoying right there. Got a third eye going on, so not really excited about that. But yeah, so just kind of helping shape those brows a little bit more.
The endless journey, I need not worry, I'll get where I'm going. I made it this far beyond where you are, and I'll keep on growing.
And now I'm just going in with that same concealer, and I am just going to use that so I can set my eyeshadow later on as like a primer. I had a primer, but I couldn't find it, so. And now I'm just going in and concealing some of those breakouts. I will probably go back in and conceal them again a little bit, but just try to get some of the redness.
I'll get home, but I know that home's where the heart is. Guess I'm better off this way, moving to better days, but I know that home's where the heart is.
Alright guys, now I'm going in with the 350 palette or 350, whatever you want to call it. And I just went in with a neutral shade to set that concealer for like a primer in a way. And then now I'm going in with this kind of brown, mustardy kind of shade to start working that into the crease to start blending all the shadows. I will be speeding up these clips so this video is not super long, but if you guys want a more in-depth eyeshadow tutorial, please comment below and I will love to do that for you. So. Now I'm just taking a darker shadow and going on the outer V a little bit, and again in the crease. I'm just trying to slowly keep building up these colors, and again, as you can tell, I was trying to pick, but I'm just keep getting darker and darker with the colors, and again, gradually building into that crease to kind of define it a little bit more, because I wanted it to be a little darker in that crease and a little lighter on the lid today. So again, I am just going in and keep building those shades.
These roads intersect on each one.
And I'm taking this light color here and I'm going to just be putting that on my lid. I only put it on a little bit because I'm going to go back in with some water, but I'm taking this Smoldering Plum shade and I really wanted to deepen it and give it kind of a purple look in the outer corner here. So I'm going gradually in with a pencil brush, like a pencil makeup brush, and just slowly building that color. Gradually, you don't want to go too heavy-handed with this because you can mess up the look and it would be hard to blend. So just, again, go gradual and slow.
Guess I'm better off alone, never know when.
And now I'm just going in and blending all that out so it's not so harsh.
The heart is. Guess I'm better off this way, moving to better days, but I know that home's where the heart is.
Now I'm just wiping away all that makeup that fell underneath. I really should start using those eye shadow shield things because I have them, but I haven't. And then again, now I'm going in with that lighter shade that I showed earlier, and I used some of my facial spray to give it more of a intense look because it had the iridescent on it. And now I'm just going in with my waterline and my liquid liner. I did something just really tight toward the lash line, but I wanted to at least give some definition up at the top there by the lashes.
I miss the open air, the going anywhere.
And of course we have to go in with mascara, so I go in with quite a few coats. I don't do a lot, but I go in probably, you know, a good couple times just to really build up those lashes. I have long lashes, so I really like separation, so I use the L'Oreal Extensions one. And now I'm just going in with the 3-in-1 by CoverGirl. I love the coverage of this. And I'm just going in and blending it in with my Real Technique brush. And then I will go in with a sponge to kind of set certain areas because my face was kind of dry, so I needed just a little bit of dampness to pretty much get rid of any of the dry patches that I had with the foundation.
Home where the heart is.
Now I'm going in and highlighting. I'm just making like little V's underneath my eyes, getting any of the like the hormonal areas like underneath my nose and my chin. I get like redness that peek through randomly. And I went in with my Fit Me Maybelline concealer as well because it was just a little bit lighter and I wanted more coverage. I'm also taking this NYX contour brush, contour stick that they have. They have a highlight and a contour side. I usually just use the contour side. I'm just going in around my nose, my cheeks, a little bit on the forehead, just to kind of give a light contour. I didn't go too heavy with this though. I'm actually taking this little beauty blender thing I have, and I'm going in around the contour to kind of blend that in because I didn't want to blend too much of it out, but I probably should have used a little bit more product, but just to make the contour stand out a little bit. But I still love how it turned out. It was more kind of a natural look. And then I'm going to go in with my bigger beauty blender to kind of get the rest of that highlight.
Morning, I miss the open air, the going anywhere, riding with you.
And now use any powder. I use the RCMA translucent powder that they have. I really loved how this looked on my skin.
Never know when I'll get home, but I know that.
And now I'm just going in and contouring my face, just making like a little fish face here. It always helps me. And I use the NYX color, I think in taupe, I believe. It's just really good for fair skin when I'm not self-tanned. Alright, after you blend out your contour, I'm just going with a blush. I don't really remember what blush I used here, but just kind of a rosy tone to kind of give some color back into my face so I don't look flat and pale all over.
The endless journey.
And this was probably my least favorite clip because I hate doing the waterline on camera, but I wanted to show you guys that I do connect the water lines just to make sure that everything looks seamless.
And I'll keep on growing. I miss the open air, the going.
And I just used a liquid lip for this. It was kind of more like a balm in a way, but it had like a nice little frosty purple color to it, which I liked to tie in with my eye look. And I just went in with a nude eyeliner as well.
Know that home's where the heart is.
And now I'm just going in with the Kiss lashes and just make sure you get those tight in there. I love this little tool by Ardell and to put on your lashes. And that is it, guys. This is the finished look. Don't forget to comment below on what you would like to see next. And I will see you guys in the next one. Thanks. Bye.